Okay, I'm just getting loaded up right now, and the plan is there's a spot up the power lines here that goes down to a beaver dam that normally you can't cross. So I'm gonna see if I can get my big buggy up the other side or not. So this should be interesting. And I got my new garage door installed. Oh yeah, my garage door opener. Still gotta hide the wires, so gonna go pick up the neighbors. Ready to get stuck?
Yeah. As long as you don't flip, it'll be fine.
Flip it. The oil, jeez. Smoke on that thing. It's so funny.
Hey,
yeah.
You wanna go first or last?
Last.
Okay.
So you guys can get me a little trail.
Make it up that hill?
Not at all. Oh no!
At least it has a race, huh?
We're off to a great start. This is stupid. Oh, here, I'm gonna lock it. That didn't help. Gave up, eh? Oh, what are they doing? That looks really deep. Yeah, that's funny. Wow, okay, Kenzie easily made it through that. I'm not going up that way. Ram into them.
I can't believe that Kenzie's using camp bike like that.
We're not going. Oh! What did I hit a stump? Well, I didn't like the sound of that. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Where'd you hit?
I don't know. What is that? Well, whatever I hit, I don't think it broke anything. No, no. I kind of want to look at my front end. You want to move? I need to assess the damage.
What did you do?
I smashed a stump or something.
You look pretty good. Oh, that's not.
Oh, we're good. I just re-broke my broken skid plate.
This might be an issue.
No, I don't think so. I don't think I can get up that side.
Dude, at least get it across.
As long as you can get me fucking home.
That's the weight of the box of this thing, though. Nothing to it. So when you get down to the bottom, don't hug the edge of the Beaver Dam. Take it easy going down, alright? Or you're gonna give it hell.
What? I'm gonna go slow as fuck on the way down.
I thought you were gonna give it hell.
Oh my god!
That's steep as fuck.
That's crazy!
That'd be a black diamond if you were skiing. For fuck's sake.
It's actually steeper than I thought it was.
This would be steep in the summertime.
Do you think I should try that?
I would try it.
What do you...
Me in the fucking... Are you actually gonna try it?
Yeah.
Here, let me have that.
Do you want out?
Yeah.
Here, let me turn around. Okay. Wish me luck there, buddy. Try again. Come on. Shit. Hell yeah! That wasn't too bad.
It doesn't look like anything bad.
No, it doesn't look like anything, but it's so sick. Okay, how do we think about this slight incline? I feel more confident. was getting a little nervous as we got as we got closer. Holy fuck. What'd my oil light flash?
That's not great.
It went away.
Maybe because it's lost time.
The whole family. Okay, I'm going home. Oh.
What did he do?
He just slipped.
Got a broken leg that